Hello, myself Meghraj Vasudevara Chule. I am going to present my paper on the study of teachers' perspective on effectiveness of e-learning during COVID-19 lockdown in Maharashtra region. This is the introduction. The COVID-19 disease developed in the December 2019 in China. On 24th March 2020, the government of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi requested an across the country lockdown for 21 days. This affected the population of 1.3 billion. The pandemic has significantly disturbed the education system of the country. To ensure learning continuity of the student, UGC and Maharashtra State Education Departments ordered teachers to work from home. Schools and universities are suggested teachers to conduct the class on online mode through the Zoom app, Google Classroom, and YouTube videos, etc. With the increasing use of smartphone, e-learning and e-teaching are fascinated. There are many advantages and disadvantages of e-learning, but e-learning cannot replace the traditional teaching. This is my material and method. The present study was based on the online survey. We have collected 141 universities, colleges, and school teachers online questionnaire based data from the Maharashtra region. The Google form was used to send questionnaire by email, which helped in getting quick responses. The language of the questionnaire was in Marathi because the dialect of Maharashtra is Marathi, so it is helped the teachers to understand the questions properly. The study covers almost all the universities and the schools teachers in the Maharashtra. The study was done in the first 2 weeks of May 2020. This is the basic questionnaire which consisting of 10 questions which solely based on the e-learning. You can go through it. Result and discussion. 52.5% teachers felt the difficulty while the creation of e-content. 74.5% of the teachers need technical assistance during the e-content development. When asked about the responses of students about the online classes, then the teacher answered the response of the students are 49.6% are ordinary response, 36.9% are good response to the online class, 10.6% are very good response, 2.9% are very bad response. Percentage of students who honestly attend the online class are almost 50% responded by 39% of the teachers, which is very low. 83% of the teachers preferred traditional teaching, while others do not prefer the while other prefer the e-teaching. The majority of teachers, that is 46.1%, believe that the e-learning do not improve students' social skills. 38.3% agree that e-teaching allows students to focus on curriculum being taught. 56% of the teachers disagree about the e-teaching usefulness in practical subjects like biology, chemistry, physics, while only 33% agree about the same. 10.6% are neutral about the coaching. Majority of teachers, that is 54.6%, agree about the concept of degradation of quality due to e-teaching. 42.6% of the teachers experiences increasing work stress. The conclusion of the research is e-learning is the emerging trend in Maharashtra. Increasing internet users and smartphone users have significantly aided in the growth of e-learning medium. The teaching practices are also evolving with the developing technology, but still e-learning cannot replace the traditional teaching method yet. Beyond that, e-learning is a fun field, interactive, and help the student to get personalized advice from the educators. We would conclude that although e-learning has a lot of potential and advantages, but it cannot replace the traditional learning method. The UGC and other authorities should take steps to guide the teachers who are experiencing technical difficulties in e-teaching so that the education sector does not lag behind if such epidemics have arisen, and the work of the education sector will continue. These are my references. You can go through it. Thank you.